delegate to act with integrity, fairness, and commitment to the unity and principles of our party. Before I proceed to read the list of candidates, I would like to introduce who have been working on this. Please stand up. The party election board. There they are. Yes, there we are. That's the party election board. Give them a clap. Thank you very much. You may sit down. And now I'll proceed. January, which is today, 2026. Contesting candidates. We have national chairman, 2 candidates, Esau Kioni, the incumbent. Do you want to stand up so people can see you? Incumbent. That's and Peter Dubai, with the incumbent. Those are the 2 contestants we have today for chairman. So you can see them. Okay, you can see. We are going to have our incumbent, Jacob Haji, stand up, and Jesse Saruni. Yes, those are the 2 contestants for Secretary General. For chairperson, Young Democrats, we have 2 candidates. Who works in our office. Beatrice, where are you? She's not here, but you know her. She's our office administrator. Eh? She's out sorting your allowances, but you know her, isn't it? Yeah, you know her. And we are also having Eugene Gedhu. Eugene, maybe you can stand up. Where is Eugene? Outside. Okay. Those are the ones running for Young Democrats. Beatrice, please come. Please look for Beatrice. And even Jesse. Please look for Eugene. Please look for both of them. Unopposed candidates. So we have the party leader, J.B. Moturi. J.B. Moturi. Thank you. He's an opposed candidate. So we can have the other 2, Beatrice Jerry. Where is the other candidate for Young Democrats? Yes. Oh, yes, thank you. Beatrice and Gedhu. Yes, thank you. Those are the ones contesting for Young Democrats. Then we have deputy party leaders. We have C.N. Kihara. You know C.N. Kihara? He's just been here. Our legal advisor. Yes, he's unopposed. Then we have Alex K. Munyao. Alex K. Munyao. Thank you. Then Jane, deputy party leader, program. Jane, stand up. You know Jane? Yes, good. Then national treasurer, we have Abdulatif Juma. Unopposed, okay. Then we have a national vice chairman, Julia Chege. Yes, Julia Chege. Yes, thank you. Then deputy secretary general operations, we have Enoch. Yes, Enoch Olande. Yes, thank you. Yes. Then deputy organizing secretary, we have Frederick Mutio. Yes. Then deputy organizing secretary program, we have Richard Mukulu. Then we have also another category of disqualified. We also have another category of disqualified candidates. One is the National Organizing Secretary, James Mwangi Macharia. Reason, disqualified due to non-compliance with Article 10B of the party election. He didn't comply. Then National Organizing Secretary also, Simon Alfred Lewa, reason, disqualified due to non-payment of party election nominations fee. Then we have a Deputy National Treasurer, Moses, the gentleman who has just been here, Moses Lonsi. Reason why he was disqualified was due to late submission application form as stipulated in the notice, even though he had actually done the payment. Deputy National Treasurer, Operations, Rahab Karuku, she was also disqualified. Reason, the candidate was disqualified due to late submission of the application form as stipulated in the notice, despite having remitted the required payment. So you have to comply, you have to comply fully. Deputy National Treasurer, Caleb Oluochwanga, he was disqualified due to non-payment of party election nomination fee. Deputy SG Programs, Edwin Kinyua Musioki, reason, disqualified due to non-payment of party election nomination fee. So that is the category of disqualified candidates. Good, it's working. So just a bit of housekeeping, please, very quickly. People on the list of people who are not on the list of ORPP cannot vote, even if you are here. You will not be able to vote. We will not take any photographs of the ballot papers. And if you do, you'll be disqualified if you're a candidate. All ballot papers will be issued on the floor, and those are the ones which will be cast. No other paper will be cast except the ones that we issue on the floor. Yeah, I think that's it. So I think I'm going to call. Let me see. I have to read the list of all the delegates. Do I have to? It's good. Yes. Huh? Huh? It was not to come. Just come. I can't hear you. Which one?
Women leader, secretary, women, and then you, secretary, and then you, the organizing secretary.
They were not there. No, it is not there. They are uncontested, isn't it? Yeah. Unopposed. Women leader, women secretary, and?
Kikuyu wengine wanashindwa kutanzwe. Kwa hivyo asanteni sana kwa nyinyi kuja na tuje tuonane na kuongea machache kuhusu chama yetu. In fact, si mimi ningesema hiyo hayo ya chama, mimi nataka kusema mambo ya pesa na vile tunasimama kama chama, kwa sababu bila chama hakuna chama. Chama yetu imeexperience a financial problem since it was started in 1991. But we have survived. We have changed the government. We were in power. Now we are also looking for the same power which we managed to grab from KANU the other time. Give it to me, Mr. Chairman, our party leader. This program should have at least have been allocated more time for everybody to raise his. Because since 1991, holding delegate conference, the limitation of time does not allow members to raise their views. And even this one, it is the same. So I think next time, I pray, we allocate at least 2 days to our national delegate conference or even national governing council. Our financial report is very brief and short. The report is quite long. So I try to shorten it. The mandate and the legal framework of this report, which is put this report is presented in compliance with Article 229 of the Kenya Constitution, Political Party Act 211, revised 2022, Public Finance Management Act 2012, and International Sector Accounting Standard accrual basis. The report incorporate is reading together with the final report of the Auditor General of the Democratic Party for the year 30th June 2025, in which sasa lakini bwana chairman, nasikika kweli? The financial statement, present fairly in all material respects, the financial position of the Democratic Party of Kenya at 30th June 2025, and it is final financial performance and cash flow the year then ended. According to the IPS accrued basis, the Political Party Act 2011, revised 2022, and Public Finance Management Act 2011. The opinion affirmed the figures reported are materially accurate and compliant with the applicable to law and the standard. 3. For the year 30th, 2025, the party record are as follows. Total revenue collected 6,110,999. The year 2023-24 is 4,882,837. In 2025, we managed to get Party Act 4,564,92 Kenya shillings. The year 2023-24, we managed to collect 3,004,057. Membership fee, which I don't know very much about that, is a total of 540,000, and the total is 1,878,780. Public contribution and donation is 905,987. Source of income and total expenditure is 6,010, 94.25. 23-24 is 4,882,837. Expenditure 7,176,820. Category: administrative expenses 4,673,041 Kenya shillings. 23-4 was 2,377,873. Advocacy and was 898,000. Expenditure 7,828,000. 23-24 was 5,527,913. Deficit 2025 was 1,165,000. 23-24 was 645,076. Now, administrative expenditure. Gentlemen, Madam Chairman, can SG, excuse me, can you assist me to complete this? If I stand for long, I'm unable to stand. Anyway, I'm sorry, I've been a patient for some time.
DP. Naendelea hapo, mzee wangu amefika. Administrative expenditure breakdown. Administrative expenses totaled 4,673,041, comprising number 1, office rent 1,307,200, volunteer allowances and salaries Kenya shilling 1,940,000, professional fees and legal audit and accountancy Kenya shilling 720,000, depreciation 328,458, utilities, communication, transport, printing and other costs Kenya shillings 377,383. The Auditor General noted the administrative expenditure represented approximately 82% of political parties' fund receipts of 4,361,207 out of the 4,564,992, exceeding the statutory threshold of 30% under Section 26, subsection 1, subsection F. The Political Parties Act of the Political Party Acts. Management explained that this was largely due to settlement of prior year's obligations. Let's go on the statement of financial position as this time. So the next area we're going is cash and cash equivalents. We had at that end of year we had 497,466. Receivable and advances 120,000. Property, plant, equipment 298,000. $591. Other payables was 2,682,000. Total liabilities 687,652. Total assets or total liabilities. The party had a total liability negative 1,772,061 compared to it was Kenya shillings negative 1,606,567. These net liabilities are attributable to accumulative deficit and long outstanding obligation. Na hapo tunaelewa tuna madeni ama sifai kuelaborate. Tunaendelea. Trade and other payables. Trade and other payables stood at 2,687,652, analyzed as follows. Outstanding over 3 years, 1,807,852, which is 67%. Outstanding under 1 year, it is 879,800, representing the other 33%. This payable primarily relate to legal fees for ongoing and historical court cases, as well as other accumulated obligation. The Auditor General emphasized that failure to settle this obligation distorts future budgets. Cash flow, pesa, vari. Net generated from operating activities amounted to 462,182, resulting in an increase of cash balances from 35,280 on 1st July 2024 to an increase to 497,466 as at 30. Governance, compliance, and one, absence of an internal audit. And balances and lack of fixed assets register. Valuation of assets, that's 1. 2, establish fixed assets register, and 3, initiated measures to strengthen internal control compliance. Conclusion, dear members. The issuance of unmodified opinion by the Auditor General confirms that the financial statement for the year ended 30th June 2024 are fairly presented and compliant with applicable law and standards. Where the of 1,165,849 and continue to carry the liabilities of 1,772,061, corrective measures have been initiated to address the governance weaknesses, aged payables and compliance gaps, submitted by our Honorable Treasurer Moses Lontasati, Democratic Party of Kenya. Democratic Party on December 5, 2025. Democratic Party of Kenya, party court cases as at June 2025. Mr. Treasurer, Honorable Treasurer is breaking down for you. I'll try to go very fast because of time. There was a case number that 2023 Justice Sharoni versus DP and Dr. Haji. Legal rep was CN Kihara. Invoice date was that. Amount charged was 300,000. Amount paid was only 100,000. Outstanding is 200,000. Cases appeal number that. Then that case, court case again. Saruni versus DP and Haji, CN Kihara, invoice date 17/24, 250,000 charged, 250,000 charge, amount paid 150,000, an outstanding balance of 100,000. There's appeal on it. HCCP appeal number that's E144. I'm not reading the appeal numbers because I don't think we really need them. In Kihara, $350. It's an ongoing case. Total amount charged for all those cases is 900,000. Amount paid is 250,000, and there's an outstanding amount of 650,000. I go to the next page. There is Justin. There's a case Justin Muturi and others versus Choto and others. Yeta and associate, those are the legal reps. Amount was 100,000, outstanding is 100,000. The case status is done. Justin Mutin and other, Choto and others, Yator and associates were the reps. Amount is 100,000, it's done. Justin Mutin and other and Choto, representative was CN Kihara, amount it was 60,000. Outstanding amount is 120,000, only 60,000 paid, but the case is done. Justin Mutin and others and Choto and others, Yata and associates were the legal reps. Amount is 100,000. Only outstanding amount is 50. Case is done. And Justin Muturi, Jesus Aruni DP and DP Dr. Haji Kiara, an advocate. Amount is 250,000. Total amount is 420. Outstanding is 720,000. Only DP and Haji Yaton associate 100,000. Appeal. Yato appeal and Saruni 100,000. Outstanding amount is 920,000. That's just a report on all the court cases and the amount involved. Yeah, on behalf of my senior and my boss. Our Honorable Treasurer want to comment. You can comment when you're there, sir.
Thank you, delegates. And I'm sorry for having interrupted you. It's due to my health at the moment. Now I have repeatedly tried to talk about the court cases. DP have been a family without quarrel, and even if there is misunderstanding, we used to sort it out between ourselves. Now the cases are now demanding us of about over 1 million. And these expenses is incurred by a person who is a member of a Democratic Party. How are we going to run a party or an organization where else it is us in between who are fighting themselves? We will never prosper. So it makes things worse. Those even who are doing it are now looking for very senior posts of this party. And the case is still pending in court. Okay. Kwa hivyo sorry sana, ni afya yangu ndio si mzuri, ndio naona nimeyumba. But thank you for listening.
Tupigie Moses makofi. As we were saying, we'll get more time next time. So one day to discuss accounts, treasury, na tunajua way forward. As it is right now, as we give them time to and give them thanks for giving the presentation as they walk out, I want to call on it's Gachagua Muhu. Kindly, you can come and take us through the next process, which is the party election announcement of, and then basically everything that follows after that. So, yes? What we're going to do is, yes, because of time, and the main cause of this particular situation was the election. Once we are done, as they do their voting or counting, is when we're going to take questions. So keep your questions until later. So, karibu. Yes. So tuwapigie makofi as he goes down, and karibu. Yes? Unataka wimbo? Tuwekee wimbo. wanakuja. Yes. Karibu sana. DJ. Wacha tumpigie makofi na tupeleke through the polls. 1 2 3. Na nguvu bana. Tumpigie maua. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Karibu sana. Karibu madam.
Thank you very much. It's fine, eh? I think, good afternoon. We dance a bit, 1 minute only 1 minute. Then we start. Okay, the Wimbo, 1 minute only. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the main business of the day, which is elections of our next officials. And Honorable Justice Muturi, our SG, our chairman, all delegates, good afternoon. This is the message that I have for you before we start doing the actual voting, and I want to read it. It's a short one. It's written good morning, but I'll say good afternoon, fellow delegates, distinguished party leaders, members of the National Executive Committee, ladies and gentlemen. It is my honor to officially open the election process at this National Delegate Convention of the Democratic Party of Kenya. Today marks a historic occasion, a day when you, the delegates, will determine the leadership of our party through a transparent, fair, and orderly process. Notice of this convention was issued on the 17th of December 2025 in accordance with Article 12 of the Party Constitution and the Political Parties Act 2001. Only verified delegates and the Political Parties Act, only verified delegates registered with ORPP are eligible to participate. Registration was conducted today,